We are doing a Viper 5v5 today, okay, boys and lady boys? We're going to be playing only Viper. Everybody will be on the Viper. That means that there will be 10 Viper walls within the game, which is pretty freaking terrifying. Viper is the worst character in the game, but I think if there's 5 of her on each team, it's going to be very just not fun. There's going to be walls everywhere. People are going to be making like little corridors out of Viper walls and stuff. I'm not sure how advanced this is going to get. You've seen them before. We've had classics like the 5v5 Raze game and this 5v5 Sky game. We've done them before. This is going to be another one of those. This is happening on Patron Sunday, so if you guys are excited for this, you wanted to join in on any of the Sundays, we try to incorporate all the patrons. We won't always be doing stuff like this, but we'll be doing other fun things. Last week, we did a knife fight. Yeah, just head on over to the Patreon. You can subscribe. It's $5. It really does help us out. Other than that, we're going to be getting into this. We have a solid set of teams. So I'm glad I didn't like give anybody warning on this really. Like I give you like an hour so nobody like went in and learned lineups and shit.
Oh, that would be cringe if you did that.
So let's see what
that would definitely be cringe if you did that.
That's a bad wall actually. Here, I'm putting my wall down. I'm coming see it. I'm using my toxin. Okay, hopefully don't push that.
They can't push. Oh, I already toxin. Oh, they're up. Nice.
Oh my god. This is hilarious.
Oh shit. Okay. 100% defense side.
Right click time.
My wall is still up. It's gonna run out in a few seconds here though.
One enemy remaining. Left side somewhere. Default.
Using the wall against her. Hold on. Okay, 3K. Let's go. There's a wall coming down. A couple A.
Your wall.
Look at this one way. Look at this one way.
I'm gonna use my one way. My one way is going up. One way is up.
Watch long for me.
Watching long. I have a one way.
I have 1 A. Oh my god, 1 FPS.
Oh my, it's not working. There's a wall coming down. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm shooting my molly. Shooting my molly.
Flanking.
I'm on short.
Oh my god.
One out short. Cubby. I was coming down, King.
You hit the 20
Kill me, Jet.
He was damn. Okay then, Ryan.
They're on site.
Or Cubby. Oh. One backside. Right?
One enemy remaining.
All right, last one backside.
You're actually D.
Oh.
Easy.
Oh,
No,
nice.
that was so
Okay.
Easy.
Next level.
Don't let that bomb go down. Oh no.
Let's just
Backside dead.
Oh no.
Molly. We all have
Mid.
mollies.
He's mid somewhere.
I think he's on top of box maybe.
No. Mid somewhere. There's still 2 alive. We have 1 AFK.
Oh, that's a molly. Oh god.
I'm not trying to go in there.
One enemy remaining.
I got him.
One. Easy clap. Here, King. I have content for you. King, I have content for you. Spawn. Grab orb.
Oh
Lots
my
long.
god. 120. Battle 120.
On the flank.
Lag on both sides.
Short 120.
I'm with you. God.
The AFK. I check AFK.
Oh my god.
I actually suck.
Nice.
Oh.
This is like impossible to push. This is so dumb. Everyone has 2 mollies.
Flashing?
How are they supposed to do anything here?
Molly D-
See side of this
Yeah, I'm
one.
dead.
Or just do that.
They all
Oh
buy
no.
singers.
I don't think that worked, guys.
I don't think
They're all buying singers, guys. That's our only weakness.
Spike planted.
I'm patiently waiting for
Last
their orb.
player standing.
It ain't work. I had no footsteps, I see.
Oh, I got an idea.
Oh, that's actually sick ult. The hell?
One more garage.
One window.
Going garage
Zombie
window.
Yeah, but this ult
But
is too
I
good.
have a cool ult though on it.
Shoot
What a
down.
bad side lineup. Okay.
Both backside.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
are you kidding me?
Damn
Nice try.
it. Being jokingly mean.
I'm
We should all-
Yeah, I'm
Wait,
like.
Yeah, wait, that's so smart. We should all pull our walls and C and just run A.
Yeah, sure.
Someone smoke heaven.
I got heaven.
Bappo's gonna be so upset, dude.
Oh, backside. Dead.
Oh my god, I love you, Ryan.
I just saved
Oh,
your
I'm
life.
dead.
I'm getting literally
Yeah.
5 FPS.
One lobby. One lobby.
Behind.
Battle lobby.
My smoke's down heaven.
I stopped
Okay.
the push.
One's front. Peek him.
Wait, what? 40.
I can't hit him.
He's lit 90. Lit 90.
Standing.
Lag.
One of
I'm
them
so
hit
sorry,
90.
guys.
Nice try. My mouse bugged. I couldn't hit that dude. That's a one way.
Not anymore.
I don't know where I am. Can't see me.
Dead.
I'm in backside.
Probably one towards garage. Careful.
Oh, I'm
Babble in
dead.
their
I'm
spawn.
dead.
I'm dead.
Oh my, whoa! There's Last two long. Last long.
One enemy remaining.
I don't have a gun. Nice.
Better.
Nice.
I'm a gamer.
No
I'm a
way,
gamer.
bro.
I'm a gamer.
Backside dead.
Nice.
Toxin screen down.
From
I'm
behind.
literally I'm
Window.
so confused. Which one's ours?
I don't know.
Window.
One Acon.
One enemy remaining.
Last
I'm calling
Acon.
you, Ryan.
Oh,
Toxin screen down.
I thought for sure they were in that cubby. I guess they routed me, dude. Okay, I'll just
Alright, I'll
off
do
in the
that. I'll
ult,
do the
dude. It'll tilt the shit out of Bappo. All I want is to kill Bappo
We're
with
gonna
it.
push Steam. We're gonna ult.
Go, 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 go. Go, go.
Do we get up?
Do
Do
my,
we ult?
Yeah, I'll top.
Okay, I'm
do
ulting.
my thingy thing.
Someone else ult? Second person ult?
Playing default?
Yeah.
Doesn't see me.
No way, dude.
Jeez.
Front sight.
One enemy remaining.
No, I think he ran out of bullets.
Nice, AFK.
He did run.
Wait, make a tunnel. Make a tunnel for us, okay?
Welcome to my
Wait a second.
world.
Somebody use their wall on the
Okay.
left.
Toxins going up.
How do you what?
Backside.
Put your walls up!
Oh,
So stupid.
Running, jumping.
Last player standing.
That's okay. He's got a lineup. He's got a lineup.
No way. What?
I saw him. Actually. Nice. Garage.
Back to the feet.
Window.
A Volt, I'm giving you the bomb. You're on a mission, okay?
Isolate them
You gotta
and
go
kill
plant.
them.
That was a mistake.
You have to plant. Put our walls up. Put our walls up. Send it. Send it. Go, Volt. Go. Go.
Go, 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 go.
Spam.
Falling
Being
right.
spammed.
Falling left. Get that bomb down, Volt.
Nice.
Where are you going? He's stealing the bomb. You had to plant it for us.
Toxin screen down.
What are we throwing?
Oh, no, behind.
That's my excuse.
They're on both. You're a strat.
Oh, man.
Don't get in my
I
way.
mean, they're
That
spawn.
Kelly Clarkson party, Jack. Come on.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, I thought we had an ult. There's no ult.
What? With more? No. Alright, I got a lineup. It's okay.
Wait.
Let's go.
Attackers.
I feel like this is gonna be even harder on.
I told you,
Icebox.
any round I wanted, I could have closed that out.
Are we gonna play Haven again, or?
No, we're gonna go on a different map.
Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet.
You guys want to do bind?
I think Bind would be sick.
Fine.
Bind
Let's
would be
go.
pretty fun. Viper with teleporter is.
So we are on to map 2. After map 1, it was a little bit of a stomp for a while, but that we had some people like glitching out and stuff. We'll see how map 2 goes. We are on bind.
Fringe.
Oh wait, can I do the one-way short on defense? That's
They
like
pushed
the
up, they
only
pushed up,
one way
they
I know on
pushed
Viper.
Dead.
Cover me.
Toxin screen
You
down.
good?
I'm dead.
Teleport.
I'm
There's a
dead.
molly on
You're
default.
dead. You're dead. You're
You're
dead.
saying that's what you're saying them on?
You're dead. You're dead.
The frenzy sucks.
You're dead. You're dead.
Okay.
Last player standing.
There's a molly on bomb right now. You still have 2 mollies.
Break like that. Oh.
No pressure.
Nice try.
Kirby.
Okay.
Got a kill?
With no vision.
we have 5 walls. It's gonna make it really hard for them to do shit. If we just do like 5 good walls, and we can go anywhere, right? Like we don't.
Yeah, I
need
like
to
that
go
wall.
someplace.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I did it. Sorry.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
What are you doing? He was like jumping at me.
Toxin screen down.
Oh man.
That's on B shot or B long, I mean.
Put down.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, he's in the cubby. Oh no.
Got him.
Nice, nice, nice. Good trades. Good trades.
Resin,
4v2.
We can, oh.
One's
hour
flanking.
spawn.
Yeah,
In our
push
spawn,
it, push
right
it,
now.
push it, push it, push it, push it.
Got it.
There's probably one towards showers.
Viper's hit 80.
Drops.
Sorry.
One enemy
Jet.
I
remaining.
have the toxin screen
Alright.
down.
My bad. I should have.
No,
realized
74.
right there.
74. He's so lit.
Light planted.
Coming long now. The 74.
You
See
want-
hookah or?
Hookah, yeah. Hookah.
You got him. You got mollies.
In smoke now.
that lit. I
You
told
hit him
you.
with the molly and it bounced.
Yeah, I told you. Wait, I have wall for something.
Go, boys.
Oh, I know about that. We're gonna counter all.
Killed one.
There.
One dead. I'm standing in a molly. I'm gonna fucking die, dude. Oh my god.
Or?
Spike planted.
Oh,
Wait,
they're
what
on it.
the
They're on it. They're on it.
One enemy remaining.
Bro, on the bomb. No way.
I think they're rotating.
Wait,
Yeah.
who's on site? Oh, it's nice. Alright.
What's TP? We're TPing.
The
I
silver
mean, if
thing.
you get
Oh, like
creative,
shooting
you
up on the bomb? Nah, no. I almost did that round, but.
Molly, or thing up. Smoke up.
Last player
Not on.
standing.
He's 1 HP. Wait, he's 70, 80, 90. I'm just watching the counter go
He's
up.
just sticking in your molly. I respect the play.
Toxins going
A
up.
full wall.
It's actually better than you think.
Oh my god. Look at that, and I get
I
mad anxiety. Oh my god. Pushing everything.
Yo, just fake the TP.
Not just res me.
Wait, one was hookah still.
One enemy remaining.
That's hookah dead.
Fabo, what are you doing? Use your
Oh,
gun.
wait, last one's long. Last one's long.
Planted.
Where?
That's coming from long.
Pink bomb, guys.
Ah, damn.
Good try, man.
Still different.
Default. Grind the default.
Right clicks though.
Okay, no more knifing for me.
Alright, Evolt, that's not one.
I'm toxic.
Ryan, are you just gonna sit there? Wait, who is that? Who's stay short right now?
I'm in his head, don't worry.
Toxin
Nice.
screen down.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Dang.
Oh, yo.
Crack is the judge.
There's one CT.
Toxins going up.
CT.
Last player standing.
Hookah.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, he's actually there. Oh my god, dude.
Nice try.
Unlucky, dude. 4K
Oh,
with the
man.
judge. High
I
key.
can go my right, yeah, you just watch my right.
Wait, this is a sick ult. Holy.
Poison's off.
Oh shit.
Poison orb emitting. Poison's off.
Oh my god, my spray.
Nice.
Shit. Come on.
He gets it.
Wait, Viper swears? Oh my.
Wait, what'd she say?
He said, oh shit. Oh, I'll give you it. He's, oh my god.
Knife him,
you're lucky I fucking
knife him,
whiffed.
no balls. Knife him, no
Who
balls.
hit that?
I'll distract him, Knife him.
No.
I can't knife him, I have one.
Knife him. Aw,
Good job.
Kirby's a loser, dude.
Sheesh.
Look at that Molly lineup.
Yeah, that was a really good lineup. Yeah.
What
Dude.
line up?
No way.
Trash.
So, I think the meta we found is that defense side is super OP, and also the judge is the best gun in the
The
game.
judge is so good on his Viper only.
No. Do I ult to guarantee the win?
Reloading.
That's not sweaty.
Damn. 120.
Ooh, you like that?
Kirby did
Hey, yo.
tag that guy a lot, but that was good.
One enemy remaining.
Last dude's level 69.
Oh.
Oh my
man. Just turns and
I'm
kills the
sorry.
guy on box.
Dang it, we're letting them come back again.
That flicked. I just randomly sprayed that.
He's lit in
You know
Cubby.
what?
I'm about to kill him.
Get out of my way. Poison orb emitting.
Was that Bappo? That's amazing.
I altered
Yeah,
the
that's
TP.
Bappa.
Poison's off.
30 seconds left.
Zombies hit for
One
91.
enemy remaining.
91?
There we go.
Nice.
All right.
With the headshot?
Defenders
Yeah, I had to
win.
close her out there. I didn't want to go into overtime, you know.
Yeah, I'm not trying to play OT, bro.
Oh, it's you with Viper.
Well, guys, that's how that went. We had a good time. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Check us out on Twitch, where we have so many awesome people. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you wanted to be part of this, you could join the Patreon down below and do all those cool things. And you join us for Patreon games. Don't forget, subscribe. Okay, nice. Nailed it. What an outro. Man, I'm so good at this. I'm such a good YouTuber. Holy shit.